You eat too much chocolate.
I don't think so.
Have you looked in the mirror?
Do you think I'm getting fat?
I didn't say that.
What did you say?
I said I have to go to the bathroom.
That's what I thought you said.
Did you do the laundry?
Yes, I did.
What did you wash?
I washed the sheets and towels.
What about the pillowcases?
Yes, I took them off the pillows and washed them.
Did you dry everything in the dryer?
Yes, I dried everything in the dryer.
Then what did you do?
I folded all the towels.
Did you put the sheets on the beds?
Yes, and I put the pillowcases on the pillows.
Do you listen to the radio?
I listen day and night.
What do you listen to?
Mostly talk radio.
What's that?
People talk about current events.
What do they say?
They say they want change.
What kind of change?
They want tax cuts.
Why do they want tax cuts?
Because tax cuts will save them money.
Mom, I'm hungry.
Look in the fridge.
I'm looking. There's nothing to eat.
Are you sure?
It's almost empty.
I went to the market yesterday.
I don't see anything.
I bought lots of oranges and apples.
I don't want fruit. I want something tasty.
Eat the fruit. It's good for you.
Next time you go to the market, let me go with you.
No, thank you. All you want to eat are hot dogs and candy bars.
What is there to eat?
I don't know. Look in the fridge.
I think I'll make a sandwich.
What kind?
A ham sandwich.
The bread is in the cabinet.
Where's the mustard?
It's in the fridge, I think.
Oh, yes, here it is. Do you want a sandwich?
Yes, that sounds nice.
How about some potato chips?
Yes. And a pickle, if we have any.
It's time for your bath, young lady.
But, Mom, I'm not dirty.
You need a bath every day.
Why?
Because you don't want to smell bad.
I don't smell bad.
That's what you think.
If I smelled bad, I could smell me.
I can smell you.
I can smell you, too.
That's my perfume.
When can I wear perfume?
Something's wrong with my computer.
Exactly what?
All I get is a black screen.
What's the matter?
I think I know, because this happened before.
What happened before?
My hard drive crashed.
Oh, no. That's bad news.
It sure is, but I'm going to call HP first, just to make sure.
Will you lose all your files?
No, I always back up my files.
You're smart.
I called HP about my computer.
What did they say?
They said I need a new hard drive.
That's too bad. How much is a new one?
It's not too much, only about $85.
Plus installation?
No, my hard drive is easy to remove and replace.
Really?
Yes, it's just a couple of screws.
That's nice.
It's a lot better than paying someone $60.
If my hard drive crashes, I'll just call you.
What's your email address?
It's bluedog123.
BlueDog123. Are you sure that's all?
Yes.
No. That's incomplete.
What do you mean?
What's your mailing address?
456 Cherry Drive, Pasadena, California 91170.
That's correct.
So, what's the problem?
BlueDog123 is just the street. You have to give me the city, state, and zip code.
Oh, I get it. My email address is bluedog123@yahoo.com.
I'm going to take a nap.
You should unplug the phone.
That's a good idea.
Do you want me to wake you in an hour?
No, thanks. Just let me sleep until I wake up.
I'll start dinner at 6 o'clock.
Okay. I think I'll be awake by then.
If not, your nose will wake you up.
You mean I will smell the food cooking?
You might even dream about dinner.
I don't think I'm going to dream about anything. I'm really tired.
Have a nice nap.
That was a nice funeral.
Yes, Dad, it was.
The son gave a nice speech about his father.
It was long, too.
I think it was about 45 minutes long.
But it went by fast. It was interesting.
I liked it.
I'll give you a speech like that, too.
Do you think anyone will come to my funeral?
Of course.
I think only the family will be there.
You have lots of friends. They will be there, too.
Yikes. What was that noise?
I had to blow my nose.
Did you have to blow right next to the phone?
Did you hear that?
Of course I heard that. I thought a plane had crashed into your house.
It wasn't that loud.
I will blow my nose sometime for you, and you'll see.
Okay. I'll take your word for it.
I thought you had an elephant in your house.
You're funny.
What did you say? I think I've gone deaf.
I'm going into the bathroom to blow my nose. I'll be right back.
I have lots of friends.
Really? How many do you have?
I don't know, maybe 100.
That is a lot of friends. Do you have a best friend?
Of course. I have lots of best friends.
How many best friends do you have?
I think about 25.
I have only one best friend.
I feel sorry for you.
I have only a few friends.
You must be lonely. I will share my friends with you.
That's very nice of you.
Don't you ever cheat on me.
Why would I do that?
Because men like to cheat.
Some men do, but not me.
I'm watching you.
I'm an open book. Watch me all you want.
If I catch you, you'll be sorry.
You won't catch me, because I love you. I'm not a cheater.
I will poke your eyes out.
I don't want any other woman.
I will chop your toes off, one by one.
Honey, please. You're the only woman for me, forever. I swear it.
I hate to go outside.
Me too.
Why do you hate to go outside?
I meet too many jerks.
I agree.
This city is full of jerks.
Rude people are everywhere.
But what can you do?
You can yell at them.
And they will yell back at you.
Yelling doesn't do any good.
No. The best thing to do is just stay home.
Will you look at this phone?
Are you having problems with it?
I don't understand some things.
Let me help you.
What does MI mean?
Me stands for middle initial.
What does MMDDY mean?
That means month/day/year. Use numbers.
I don't understand.
For example, if your birth date is January 12, 1987, write the 1st of December 1987.
Oh. That's simple enough.
Always print clearly, and fill in the bubbles completely.
Let's go to the animal shelter.
What do you want to do?
I want to get a puppy for my son.
That will make him so happy.
I'll get him one of those little dogs.
One that won't grow up too big.
And eat too much.
Do you know which one he would like?
Oh, yes, I took him there yesterday. He showed me one that he really liked.
I bet you had to drag him away.
He wanted to take it home yesterday.
I wonder what he'll name it.